Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make mediums cooler. We'll explore several effective techniques to quickly reduce temperatures. You'll learn about using simple household items and specialized tools to achieve optimal chill. Our goal is to help you keep your drinks and food refreshingly cold for longer periods. Get ready to master the art of rapid cooling with practical, easy-to-follow advice. For a super fast chill, try an ice bath with a generous amount of salt. This mixture can drop a beverage's temperature by 20 degrees Fahrenheit in just 2 minutes. Another trick is to wrap a wet paper towel around a bottle before placing it in the freezer. It significantly cuts down cooling time. Remember, agitation also helps, so stir your drinks with ice for quicker results. To keep your mediums cold for extended periods, insulation is key. Use double-walled tumblers or vacuum-sealed containers, which can maintain temperatures for up to 12 hours. Always pre-chill your serving dishes and glasses. This simple step prevents your cold items from warming up upon contact. Also, consider using one large ice block instead of many small cubes, as it melts much slower. For advanced cooling, explore options like reusable whiskey stones, which keep your drink cold without diluting its flavor. Gel packs are excellent for picnics, providing hours of chill without the watery mess of melting ice. Some innovative devices can cool a single beverage can in under 60 seconds. For consistent, dedicated cold storage, a small, energy-efficient mini-fridge is an excellent investment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.